which are lying in both the sets. That is called intersection.
Ma'am, tomorrow will there be class?
Yes, beta?
Tomorrow will there be class?
Okay. Let me check, then I will tell you. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. See. This your intersection was basically all elements together, right? And A intersection B means common elements of A and B, right? Just quickly we will recapitulate. So if A set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B set is your 2, 4. So what will be your A union B set, Preetam?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Dhanunjay,
Yes, ma'am.
Jaswant, good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Dhanunjay, now tell me the intersection of A and B set, beta. What is the intersection?
2, 4.
Yes, because 2, 4 elements lie in both A and B. So A intersection will be this 2, 4. And children, suppose if I am asking you that A minus B. So who will tell?
1 and
Jaswant?
Ma'am, it's 1 and 3.
Yes, it will be 1 and 3 because you will remove the elements of B from A. So it will be 1 and 3 only. Clear beta this thing? Now in Venn diagram, see here. Suppose two sets we are having, right? So this is your A intersection B part where elements of A and B are common. And this part is your A minus B part beta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, B unmute yourself. B on unmute. And this orange shade is your B minus A, children,
Yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, today, we will do practical questions. Yesterday, I have asked you that practical questions. So, practical questions, first of all, one formula you need to learn, that is an A union B. An A union means number of elements in an A union B. So children, tell me the number of elements of A union B. How many elements are there? 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. So it will be 4.
4. Yes.
Right, Preetham. Now Dhanunjay, tell me the number of elements of A minus B, beta.
2.
2. Yes, 1 and 3, only 2 elements are there. So you will write here 3, sorry, 2. So now elements of A intersection B. Jaswant, tell me how many elements are there in A intersection B, beta?
2.
2.
I'm noting.
Yes, very good. Now this, if in any set, if I have written this an A, it means number of elements in set A. Right? In the same way, if I will ask you that NB means number of elements in set B. Clear, beta? And this is also called cardinal number. We have studied this thing, na? Cardinal number, or you can say order of the set. Have you remembered this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Order of the set and cardinal number. Understood?
Yes.
So children, first of all, tell me, have you understood about the operations of set, intersection, union, difference of the set and complement?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have understood, then I will proceed to next. Further, otherwise we will do these type of questions only. Just tell me, Jaswant, Preetam, Dhanunjay.
Understood.
Okay. Okay. So now may I proceed to next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's then. Now next is C. Now we will do practical questions. So for practical questions, first of all, see here. First of all, yesterday we were doing complements, right? So complement of set A. Complement of set A. So beta, it will be equal to union set minus elements of set A. Am I right? So
Yes.
suppose universal set is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And beta A set is there. 3, 5, 7. So if I will ask you that find the complement set. So what are will be the elements of complement set?
1, 2, 4, 6.
Yes, good. So you will remove these elements of A from universal set. So remove 3, remove 5 and remove 7. And just write here in on A complement rest of the element. So 1, comma 2, comma 4, comma 6. Is it clear, Dhanunjay and Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if n number of elements of A complement, if I will talk to you, then you will write how many elements are there? Tell me.
4.
4. So you will write here. Or see, one formula you have framed here. The number of elements in A complement will be equal to number of elements in universal minus number of elements in A set. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this thing?
Yes.
Okay. So this formula you have derived, right? So suppose if A and B are two sets and number of elements in A set is 17, number of B set in 23, then number of element in A union B is equal to 38. Then if you will ask that find the elements in A intersection B. So beta, for this type of questions, you are having this formula that A in number of elements in A intersection B will be equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements in, wait a minute, A union B is equal to minus A intersection B. Right? This formula means all together means A union B, number of elements in A union B. It will be number of elements in A, number of elements in B. Then you will subtract number of elements in A and B both. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
See, suppose you are having like this. So A union B will be whole now.
Hmm.
Clear? Now A union B is whole this. Now set A and set B. But here intersection part is coming now. Which lies in both, means as well as in A as well as in B. So what you will do, you will just subtract number of elements of A intersection B. Clear?
Yes.
Understood, beta?
Yes.
So NA union B will be, union means plus. You have to keep in your mind, union means add and intersection means common. Clear? So NA union B. Now just apply this formula. and A union B will be equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus an A intersection B. Clear? So number of elements in set A is 17. Number of elements in set B is 23. And this you have to find A intersection B, number of element, and number of element in A union B is equal to 30. Clear? Now solve them. Now 38 is equal to 17 plus 23. It will be 40 beta
Yes.
minus A intersection B. Just solve. 38 minus 40 will be equal to minus A intersection B. So N A intersection B, number of elements in A intersection B will be 2 only. Will be 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means there are 2 elements which lies both as well as in A as well as in B. Okay? Understood beta? Jaswant, Preetam, Dhanunjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it down it. Written class?
Ma'am.
Done beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaswant, Dhanunjay?
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay.
The classes be there on Saturday?
Yes, beta? You are asking something, Preetam?
Yes, ma'am. The classes be there on Saturday?
Saturday?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yes, beta. I will let you later on, okay?
Yes,
You will get the message, okay?
ma'am.
Okay. Now see, children. Now from Venn diagram, this is your rectangle. This is your set A, beta. And this is your set B. Okay. Now this is your universal set. Right? This is your set A. This is your set B. Now this is A intersection B. We know this thing. So if I'm talking about A union B, see from the Venn diagram. A union B means this whole, this. Let me shade this with light color. This whole is an A union B. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it contains number of elements of A set. See here. Right? Then it contains number of elements in set B. Right? Now this an A intersection B. Number of elements in A intersection B means this portion A intersection B. So in this, children, it contains portion of A also and portion of B. So 2 times it occurs, right? So what you will do here, you will subtract this. So number of elements of A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection. This formula, have you understood? Is there any doubt, beta, in this formula?
No.
Clear? So now
Yes.
see, if A and B are disjoint sets, if A and B are disjoint, disjoint means both are different sets, right? Then their A intersection B will be empty set. Suppose
Empty.
A is equal to ABC and B set is 1, 2, 3. So what is common here? Just one
Empty set.
empty set. So these are disjoint sets, right? So A intersection B is empty set. So therefore these are disjoint. So in case of disjoint, so empty set is there. So number of elements in A intersection B will be 0 now, beta. Right? So your formula for an A union B will be number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B. Clear?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see next thing, next side. Now next comes to A minus B. A minus B. See here. A minus B. Okay. Now this is your any set A and B. This is your set A and this is set B. Now this is your A minus B set with a green shaded one. Right? So you can write A minus B. How you can write? Set A minus A intersection B you can write or not? This whole set A. And when you are subtracting this part, only this part, then what it will be? An A minus B or not?
Yes, yes.
Preetham, just one, tell me, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So you can add number of elements also in this formula. So number of elements in A minus B will be equal to number of elements in A minus number of elements in A intersection B. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, another thing, see, if A minus B, if you are subtracting from this union, A union B, if you are subtracting from A and number of elements in set B minus C, if you are writing like this, and a number of elements in A union B minus NB. Is it clear? So this is your A union B set, this whole.
Yes, ma'am.
And you are subtracting this part, set B. Then it will be A minus B, na, this set.
Hmm.
Yes.
Right? Understood,
Yes.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is your set A. This is your set B. And this whole part is A union B. So for finding this, A inter A you have minus B, you will subtract B from A union B. Clear? Understood, beta? Jaswant, Preetam,
Yes.
and Dhanunjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note it down it. Because with the help of diagram, you can easily keep this thing in your mind, right? Please note this, Harya. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now next is now again this is your universal set and this is your another set A and this is your set B. Okay. This is your set A, beta. This is your set B. Now we are finding NB minus A. Now B minus A is this part, right hand side part. This is your B minus A, right? So again you can write like this that A union B minus set A you can write like. So number of element in A union B minus number of elements in set A. May I write like this, beta? Preetam,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanunjay, Jaswant.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Or what can I write? That if I am subtracting this A intersection B from B set. So number of element in B set minus number of element of A intersection B. Right? If we will subtract this portion from this whole B part, you will get this part only, na, this yellow one. Right? And this is your B minus A only. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Understood, or is there any doubt, beta?
No, no.
Okay. Or if you are having three sets, suppose, then NA plus NB plus NC. If you are having three, if let A, B, C be the three sets. If A, B, C are the three sets. So you can write n number of element in A union B union C will be equal to same like this thing, NA plus NB plus NC minus an A intersection B beta minus and B intersection C minus and C intersection A plus and A intersection B intersection C. If three sets are there, and this will be like this. This is your set A, this is your set B, and this is your set C.
Yes.
Okay? This is your set A, this is your set B, and this is your set C. So first of all, any union B means all, whole. So you will write number of elements in A, number of B, number of elements in C, right? Then subtract this part, then this part, then this part, right? Then subtract this whole part. Then add an A intersection B intersection C part. This. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note it down it. Then we will do questions on basis of this. Hurry up. Done, beta?
Done, ma'am.
Done, Dhanunjay?
Yes.
Okay. Now I guess all I've done. Okay, beta. Okay, now see questions based on this. Suppose you have given questions like this, Let A be a set. Let A set be X such that X is a positive prime less than 10, right? And B set is X such that X belongs to natural number and 0 is less than X minus 2, less than less than equal to 6. Then find A union B. A union B. Second is A intersection B. Third is A minus B. And also verify that n A minus B is equal to n A union B minus NB. Right, children? So in this question, what you will do? First of all, you will write the set A, B, elements of set A and B. So set A will be, just one tell me, what will be the elements of set A?
2, 3, 5, 7.
Yes, because prime number. So it will be 2, 3, 5, 7, right? 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7. Now Dhanunjay, tell me B elements.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
See beta, here you have given this x minus 2 less than equal to 6. In previous class, I have told you that to make it, that here we have given x minus 2. So you will make it x only. So you will add now, you will add on the both side of x 2 plus 2 less than 6 plus 2. So it will be 2 less than x less than equal to 8. Clear beta? So elements will be
3, 4,
3,
6, 8.
4, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Because less than equal to sign is there. Clear?
Okay.
This is the closed interval. So now Preetham, tell me A union B.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, 2, comma 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Now Dhanunjay, tell me A intersection B beta. Dhanunjay.
3, 5,
Yes,
7.
3,
3, 5, 7.
5, 7. Good. Now last is
Ma'am,
A
it is not
minus
7.
B.
Ma'am, 5 will not be there.
Yes. So A minus B, what I will write here? A minus B.
Two
Tell me.
and 5.
See, what do you mean by A minus B? That you will remove the elements of B from A. So remove just 3, remove 4, remove not 4 is there, remove 7.
2
So
and
what
6.
are there?
2.
2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just check this. A minus B is equal to an A union B minus number of elements in B. Now, first of all, write the elements of A minus B. Write the elements of A minus B, beta. So, it is 1
1.
only.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
number of elements in A union B is equal to A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now number of elements in set B. How many elements are there? Jaswant?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3. Just wait. I forgot to write here to write 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it's
So
correct.
number of elements in set B is equal to 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just put the values here, A minus B. So it will be an A minus B will be equal to an A union B minus NB. Right? Just verify. So and the number of elements in difference of set A and B is equal to 1. Number of elements in A union B is 7. Minus 6, it will be 1 is equal to 1. So hence verified. Clear, beta? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt, beta? Jaswant, Preetam, Dhanunjay,
ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So children, kindly I'm requesting you or I'm suggesting you to do your homework on daily basis. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, children.
Bye.
Bye, beta. Bye, all of you.